just for you. One hit wannabe right here, Colton James. See the picture? Looks like somebody took it with their Instamatic camera. Date with Dixie. That's what it's called. Date with Dixie. Colton James. One hit wannabe. Oh gee, look. Here's something you want to see, right? The flag? Okay, yeah. Colton James. All right, there you go. So let's see what Colton has to say. And date with Dixie. And I guess that must be Dixie. Okay.
Just finished up one hell of a week. If it could go wrong, it happened to me. But I know where to go to unwind. There's a little place down the road where the women's hot and the beer is cold. And I got a date with Dixie tonight, where the band plays Free Bird and Sweet Home Alabama. There's good boogie and fishing in the dark. A little rambling man, that's a family tradition. Give me back my bullets and a country boy can't survive. Behind the bar, shaking that thing, filling her tip jar. All the boys lean over to check out her new tag. And the dance floors are hopping, all the cowboy boots are stomping. It's another Friday night in Dixieland, where the band plays Free Bird and Sweet Home Alabama. There's good boogie and fishing in the dark. A little working man blues. The devil went down to Georgia, and you never even call me by my name. I'll play it, boys. Yeah, and that red, white, and blue neon sign's been flashing Dixie since '69. She's just south of the Mason-Dixon line, where the band plays Free Bird and Sweet Home Alabama. There's good boogie and fishing in the dark. Keep your hands to yourself as you wore a pearl necklace. Simple Man and the South's gonna do it again. And the band plays Free Bird and Sweet Home Alabama. There's good boogie and fishing in the dark. A little born to be wild and some honky-tonk women. Old Whiskey River and Dixieland delight. And the band plays. And the band plays. Oh, tip your hat, son. You're in Dixie.
Shut up, Dad. Get in the truck. Oh, jeez.
Okay, we can end it anytime. All right, Colton James and Date with Dixie. So there you go. Yeah, I don't know. It could have been. It could have been. Colton James, a date with Dixie. Just wasn't with the right people, I guess. So, you know, it could have been one of those one-hit wonder type things, but it was just turned out to be a one-hit wannabe. Colton James. Okay, who do you got here? We got this picture looked like it was taken with a Kodak camera. I mean, you know, it was like one of those old cameras that you get the pictures developed and they start to fade. I'm just saying. Maybe it's artsy looking. I don't know. Ashley Gearing in 5 more minutes. That's what she said. Just 5 more minutes. Oh, well, anyway, here you go. Ashley James, or Ashley Gearing, rather. 5 more minutes. Let's see what this one-hit wannabe is all about. It's in a nice little case. He did some nice artwork with it and everything else. So it's from 2011. It was written by Ashley Gearing and Tiffany Goss and Nicole Witt. So all by women. Here we go.
There's a girl out on the back porch trying to say goodnight. Mama's in the kitchen flicking on and off the lights. That boy's gotta go now. It's getting pretty late. She says, Mama, I don't wanna disobey, but I need 5 more minutes, 'cause I ain't ready yet. We're out here killing the stars. This night's as pretty as it gets. Please, Mama, don't make him go. I need 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes. There's a daddy that tells the organist to play one more song. No, nothing's wrong. I just want another moment to hold my baby girl. Since the first day I held you, I knew this day would come. And honey, I'm so glad you found the one. But I need 5 more minutes, 'cause I ain't ready yet. With that white dress and flowers in your hair, you're as pretty as it gets. But it's so hard to let my baby go. I need 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes. Now it's just him and her and God around that bed. And he needs 5 more minutes, 'cause he ain't ready yet. Oh, his wrinkled hands are praying, wishing God would take him instead. And he can't let her go, 'cause he needs 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes. Man, that clock ticks so fast, 'cause once time passes, you can't have it back.
Ashley Gearing, 5 more minutes. I've heard that song before. I think it was actually a hit. I think I am wrong on that one, but anyway, Ashley Gearing, 5 more minutes. Good tune. I liked it. So if it's not a hit, it should have been. So I'm pretty sure it was, though. It just sounded very familiar. All right, there you go. I mean, I don't know everything, that's for sure. This one here, I don't think was a hit. I've never heard of a band called Bad Horse, but then again, I never heard of a lot of things. This one's called Bad Horse, and the song is called Mississippi Rain. So Bad Horse, Mississippi Rain. Sent in one of these little things, so we'll see what this is all about. Not a whole lot I can show you. Hey, there's me. I can see myself right through there. That's pretty cool. Bad Horse. Mississippi Rain. Here it is.
Her mind was made up. I guess she finally had enough. She's moving on. On the bus and leaving town, I couldn't turn her heart around. She's good as gone. Moving on like Mississippi rain. She took a job in Tennessee, half a world away from me. Guess I'll be moving on. Like a storm out in the sea, the winds of change are killing me. I'm good as gone. Moving on like a hurricane. Mississippi rain. This lonely town won't ever be the same. Not after going through a hurricane. Mississippi rain. And Mississippi rain. Moving on like a hurricane. Mississippi rain. Mississippi rain. Mississippi rain. Mississippi rain.
There you go, Mississippi rain. I guess we're not done. I kind of liked it. I don't know. It wasn't bad. Mississippi rain. There you go. See if I can see any more on this. This is all it was sent. So see what we got here. It just says Bad Horse, Mississippi rain, radio edit, and they got the main edit. It's Global Maximum Records. Maximus Records. Sorry, produced by Larry Blackman. That's pretty much it. That's all. That's all she wrote right there. That's what they sent. So. There it is. I don't know. Wasn't bad. Bad Horse, Mississippi rain.